Hi everyone, this is Bharti here. So in my previous video, I have explained about the machine learning, various kinds of machine learning. So in this session, I will be going it with the supervised learning model, and under that we will be learning about the linear regression. So what is a linear regression? So linear regression, it is one of the supervised learning model. Here we have an example. So we have an images of apple and banana, but here I have specifically mentioned it is an apple and banana. So when machine learning tries to learn from the labeled items, it is called as a supervised learning. Wherein we have another images also, but this images is not labeled. When machine learning tries to learn from the unlabeled data set, it is called as a unsupervised machine learning. So under linear regression, it performs a regression task and it shows the linear relationship between the two variables. Like if x value increases, y value also increases. For example, weight of a person is linear to his or her height. Hence, this shows there is a there is a linear relationship between the height of a person. So, as height increases, weight of the person is also getting increased. So this is called as a linear relationship. There is a linear relationship between the height and weight of a person. So let's dive deep into it. So here we have an data of years of experience and a salary. So years of experience, it is 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 8 years and 10 years, and the salary based upon years of experience, it is 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh, 10 lakh and 12 lakh. So here we have a problem statement that what would be the salary of a person with 5 years of the experience. So when we try to plot this data graphically, something it shows like this. So here we have a data. It shows the relationship between the x and the y values, and the data points has been plotted over here. So our problem statement is what is the salary of a person if the experience is 5 years. So here when we try to find out the salary with the 5 years of experience, it will show like it will coming around 7.5 for 5 years of for 5 years of work experience. So this is showing something really a relationship between the x and y values. So here linear relationship tries to find the best fit line between the x and y values, and when we feed the unknown data, it will try to find the value of it. So as we know, in our primary school we have learned this linear regression equation. So it is y is equal to mx plus c, where x represents the x value, y is the y value, m is slope and c is intercept. So slope in the sense, so here, so this line, this best fit line is known as a slope, and the difference between these lines is called as an intercept. So let's get another example on this. So here we have x and y values over here, and when we try to plot it, so our data looks like this. So here we should find the m and c values of this. So when we tried, when we are taking the points as p1 and p2, and we are taking this 4, 7 and 6, 5. So we are taking this point based upon this data whatever we are having. So when we try to find the slope value of this, it is y square minus y1 x square minus x1. So this is our x values and this is our y values. So 7 minus 5 and 6 minus 4 is equal to, so our slope value is 1 for this. Let's find out the intercept value for this. So here we are taking the points as 4 and 7. So y is equal to 2x plus c, wherein our y value is 7, 2 and x value is 4 and plus c, and intercept value is 1. So we are also having a multiple linear regression In this model, multiple linear regression model, we will predict the value of one dependent variable based on two or more independent variables. Wherein linear relationship, it tries to show the relationship between the two variables, that is one dependent value and another independent value. So we are having some advantages and disadvantages in the linear regression also. Let's find out what are the advantages. So coming to the advantages, it is very simple to implement and it is very fast running and it performs well on the linear relationship data. So under disadvantages, it is not suitable for the data having a non-linear relationship, and it has underfitting issues, and it is very sensitive to the outliers. If the data is having if the data is having sensitive outliers, if there is variations in the outliers, then it is not suitable for this linear regression models. So that's it for today. Let's all catch up in the next video. Thank you all.